Understanding Pulse Welding, a guide for language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term pulse welding. It's a technical phrase, but don't worry, we'll break it down together so it's easy to understand. Let's dive in. Pulse welding is a type of welding technique. In welding, two materials, usually metals, are joined together by heating them. In pulse welding, this heating is done in a pulsing manner. That means the heat is not constant but turned on and off rapidly in a controlled way. This method is useful for precise and controlled welding, especially for thin or delicate materials. Pulse welding involves three main stages. 1. Background current. This is the low-energy phase, where the welder maintains the arc, the heat source, but at a lower intensity. 2. Pulse peak. This is when the welder increases the energy for a short burst to actually melt and join the materials. 3. Cooling or solidification phase. After the pulse, the materials cool down and solidify, forming a strong bond. Understanding these stages helps in comprehending how pulse welding is different from continuous welding. Pulse welding is widely used in various industries. Some key applications include aerospace, for welding delicate parts of aircraft; automotive, in car manufacturing, especially with thin metals; jewelry making, for intricate designs on delicate metals. Knowing where pulse welding is used can help us appreciate its importance in everyday objects. That's all about pulse welding. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand this technical term in a simple way. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in our next video.